Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you another DIY project I'm doing. This time I'm going to show you how to make your wallpaper line look really unique. So as I start the video, I've already started to show you what I've been using. So I've been using the Diamante gems, super glue or any clear glue, and some scissors that I just showed you just a minute ago as well. So what I've done, you can see here, I've actually cut those strips into these kind of shapes so that when I put it on the wall, it will cover the lines nicely. So once you laid out all the things you need, you're going to get your clear glue, and I've actually put it on the strips of gems that I've cut out already, and I'm lining it up on the wall so that I can cover the lines properly. When I stick it on the wall, I've continued to put the super glue down so that when I press against it, it will just line up simultaneously. Because I've used super glue, obviously it dries fairly quickly, so when you're using this, you need to work quite quickly to make sure that you don't stick it in the wrong place. But yeah, I've actually continued all the way down from top to bottom. So yeah, once you've done that, I continued throughout the whole bedroom, and you can see the end result. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've done the top to bottom all the way around. And yeah, that's the end of the video. It's a small tutorial, but it's a really simple one, so anybody can do it. Make sure you check out my next video if you haven't already. I've done the same thing in my living room downstairs, but that style is more glam. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. I'm going to leave you guys to just adore what I've done for the rest of my room. Make sure you like and you subscribe, and make sure you also share the video to someone that you feel that would really benefit from this. Thanks again, guys.